Hi, I'm John Nebbia, Food and Packaging Industry Manager with igus Incorporated. Today I'm going to provide a brief overview of some of our FDA-compliant materials, as well as where we tend to use them and the unique attributes each material carries. We're going to start with our A180 and A181 materials. These are go-to FDA-compliant materials across the board. When we need increased chemical resistance, oftentimes we're going to turn to either A160 or A350, with A350 being reserved for those higher temperature applications. When extreme temperatures and chemicals are needed due to washdown or manufacturing environment, we turn to A500. This material again carries the highest level of chemical and temperature resistance that igus has to offer with FDA compliance. We also have some of our specialty materials here today. This is our A250 knife edge roller. This material has been designed and formulated to support belt speeds up to 1 meter per second. We also now have this material available in bar stock as well. Next, we have our A230 clip bearing material. This material has been designed to be flexible enough to pop in and out of housings while still carrying FDA compliance. We also have our I151 and A350 printing filaments. These both carry FDA compliance and are blue for visual detectability. For more information about some of our FDA compliant materials or for information on material certifications, please feel free to reach out to the DryTech team. Thanks.